Welcome to Main Street Elementary, where leaders are born. Our vision is success. We strive to improve every day and in every way. We understand and value other perspectives and cultures. We collaborate so we can accomplish more together than we could alone. We care about the world and work to make it a better place. We excel academically and are prepared to excel in college and careers. We set goals and work hard to achieve them. We support each other so we can all succeed.
The mission at Main Street, pretty simple. It's to lead and learn. And so at Main Street, we want every single community member, every single student, every single staff member, every single parent to know that we are leaders and learners.
To lead and learn at Main Street means to really take control of yourself, your goals, to create those goals for yourself and move toward them consistently. And so I think when we get students and they stay with us from kindergarten to 5th grade, we're seeing that child who's really integrated into moving from the individual to the group and how to improve themselves and the society or the group that they're in.
A lot of the teachers here, we care about our students, so we want to make sure that they're developing not just academically, but as a person.
One of the ways that I support students is that I provide intervention for them myself. I also work with a team of intervention teachers, and I help them, and we look at data, analyze data to see who are the students that need more support. Most of it is in language arts, but this year we did start some math, so we're doing an intervention both in language arts and in math.
What I like the most about Main Street is that the teachers make learning fun and engaging. And there are also clubs like the Leadership Squad, Inspiration 52, Robotics, and Sparks.
The Leadership Program is a program where the older students help the younger kids develop their leadership skills. And in the program, we have fundraisers, we make posters, and we make the decorations for the fundraisers.
Lo que vemos aquí mucho en la escuela es que ahora nuestros estudiantes están entrando siendo aprendizajes de español. Antes era al revés, en donde estaban aprendiendo inglés, pero ahora están aprendiendo español. Y los estudiantes reciben los dos lenguajes, español y inglés, 50% del día.
The dual language program helps me communicate outside of school because sometimes when I go visit my relatives like my grandma, she only speaks Spanish, so the dual language helps me understand more of Spanish so I can communicate with her better.
They have so many opportunities here for kids that don't speak Spanish or that are trying to go back to their roots and speak more Spanish. They communicate with us. They have the coffee with the principal that allows us to, ask questions if we have any concerns. It's just a lot of positives. So I would say find out about the different programs.
Ellos le dan mucho apoyo a los niños, hay tutoría. Si los niños van atrasados, ellos hacen un pequeño grupo y los toman en cuenta para que aprendan más. Si ellos van atrasados, los hacen subir sus calificaciones. Yo le diría a un padre de familia que si ella está considerando atraer un niño aquí a Main Street, que siempre esté presente en las juntas, en los meetings, en ayuda con los niños, porque un padre presente, un niño sobresale.